this is a frame that I made some time ago, so I'm rejuvenating it to become a better artistic frame. So I started by removing dust. I removed the cardboard behind and the glass. So I had to clean all the corners to remove dust and cobwebs. So after doing this, I applied another layer of varnish, mahogany varnish, so that it can have that new look. After applying several layers of varnish, so it was time for me to mount the parts that I made from tree trunks eaten by ants all around the frame. I was mounting using wood glue and nails, so it was challenging, but I managed, and now its beauty has started to appear. I was mounting using nails, I think 1-inch nail, and I was facilitating it with wood glue. It was quite a good process, so I started applying another coat of varnish so that I can get that look that I want. So after doing that, I applied lines using a white paint on the white varnish. I did this so that I can achieve a theme. Let me call it an African theme. Now, after doing that, I applied another layer of varnish on top of it, and now the white paint has turned into something brownish like. Now this is what I wanted my art to look like. So after applying several layers of the varnish, I came up with this kind of look. Now after doing that, I had to manage not managing really, I had to mount transparent glass to add its value. So I was using silicone adhesive so that I can get hold of the glass. Now here I used a drill and several paints, then I spinned so that I can get that splash. Yeah.